Imagine having a personal Yoda, minus the green skin and questionable grammar. That's right, we're talking about artificial intelligence. But forget the menacing robots from sci-fi movies. The future of AI is all about partnership. Picture this, AI as your ultimate sidekick, turbocharging your business and effortlessly handling your everyday tasks. It's like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps. So, the future of AI is about collaboration, not domination. Picture the internet as a medieval castle, but instead of dragons, it's hackers with sharp keyboards. You've got your crown jewels, your digital assets, stashed away, but the bad guys are always trying to breach your defenses. Continuous threat exposure management is your knight in shining armor, scanning the horizon for threats and patching up vulnerabilities before any rogue can explode. It's like having a hawk-eyed gardener that never sleeps, tirelessly protecting your kingdom. In this digital age, maintaining a robust security shield is not optional, it's essential. Sustainability is the trendiest word since sliced avocado. It's the new black, gold, and silver of technology. Imagine a world where your gadgets sip power like fine wine, where buildings exhale cleaner air than they inhale, where industries are powered by the sun, wind, and waves. Picture cities where infrastructure doesn't just stand there looking pretty, it contributes to a greener earth. This isn't some sci-fi utopia, it's the future we're building with green technology. Join the green tech revolution. It's not just cool, it's crucial. Imagine a playground where you can build your tech dreams without waiting for permission. Welcome to the era of self-service platforms, the wild west of innovation where developers aren't just code wranglers, but pioneers shaping the digital frontier. No more waiting on the sidelines for IT approval. It's time to grab the reins and steer your own course. Harness the power of these platforms to create, innovate, and bring your ideas to life. Self-service platforms are the future of development. Less red tape, more creativity. What if you had a coding sensei in your back pocket? That's the magic of AI augmented development. This is not your average coding process. It's like having a supercharged compiler that spots your typos before they morph into bugs. It whispers ingenious solutions, turning coding into a thrilling game of wit and strategy. And the best part? It's always ready to assist, like a faithful sidekick. With AI-powered coding, you're not just playing the game, you're leveling up. Imagine a cloud platform tailor-made for your specific industry. This is the future with industry cloud platforms. They're like private jets for your business, custom-built to streamline your processes and supercharge your performance. No more struggle with generic features or stumbling over irrelevant data. These platforms offer all the bells and whistles specifically designed for your industry needs. With industry clouds, your business isn't just flying, it's soaring. Remember that gut feeling you used to rely on? It's time to upgrade. Enter intelligent applications, the new maestros of decision-making. These aren't your average fortune cookies, folks. Powered by data and artificial intelligence, they generate insights that will have you rethinking everything you thought you knew. They're crunching numbers like a Wall Street whiz kid, predicting market trends and optimizing delivery routes. With data-driven decision-making, you're not just guessing, you're predicting. What if AI could write a symphony, paint a masterpiece, or create a viral meme? Imagine artificial intelligence not just as a tool or sidekick, but as a creative partner. We're witnessing the dawn of AI moving beyond the logical and analytical into the sphere of creativity. It's helping generate unique content, brainstorming out-of-the-box ideas, even dabbling in art and music. With AI getting creative, the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.